All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the newest Verizon mystery. Device is not working. It's a Cadillac. So first thing we do is look, and where'd we go? Not good. Okay. Click on the side. We open this up. Don't bother to touch any of this. See where the device is. It's I pull this A-pillar down, and what do we got? Oh, lo and behold, let's put the Cal amp against the A-pillar. In case somebody wants to know, these antennas inside are directional, and they should always have a clear view of the sky, meaning label side up as such, facing the sky, up, not down, not against metal, not stuffed, not against metal, not stuffed into a kick panel, up, facing the sky, don't block it with metal. There you go. And this cost somebody a lot of money to come out and do this. It was not necessary. The installer knew what he was doing. Very simple. Box placement. Location, location, location. And why are you going to the BCM if you don't need to on this? Come on, do your homework.